Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another video. I'm putting them out, boy. I'm shooting them out of here like mixtapes. TheSneakerTribune.com. That's the website. TheSneakerTribune.com. Check us out. Editorials, videos, sneaker steals, sneaker deals, resale, apps for notifications. If you a Jordan head, I got this apps on there where you can get notified for Jordan releases and restocks. If you like all various different types of shoes, you'll get another platform where you can get sneaker releases and app notifications on those releases as well. So check the website out. It has a lot of valuable information on there for you. So today, this shoe, man, I can't lie, I'm excited about the shoe, but it took way too long to ship. This shoe dropped August 24th. I got it today. Today is September 6th. So it took 2 weeks for the shoe to come in. 2 weeks. It's a long time to buy a shoe and it ships. But do you know the crazy part about the shoe? I wasn't even paying attention to this shoe at all. I think it was some other shoe that came out that same weekend I was trying to get, and I struck out, and I was like, okay, whatever. So then they dropped a pack in this shoe the day before, and I didn't get the pack. I didn't want the pack. Wasn't paying $720. I didn't like all the shoes like that. Then the next day they said, hey, we're dropping them individually. So I went ahead and looked at them because I didn't even pay attention to them. So when I looked at them and I saw this particular pair, I said, oh, you know what? This pair is actually dope. I'm gonna try to copy it. And luckily I have an account with Undefeated already. So when I hit in the cart and they made me wait in line and I got to the cart, I didn't have to wait long to check out because they already had my information on there. So retail on this shoe was $180 plus the shipping was $190. So I didn't have to wait long at all. Maybe 10 minutes tops to get the shoe and check out. So can't be mad at that. Undefeated sticker. So let's get to it. The Kobe 4 Protro Undefeated PE. You can see that here on the label. A little cotton on there. So let's get to it. Yeah. Yeah, I rock with these. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm rocking with these. Bottom is sticky or something. Probably because they've been out in the sun and waiting to be shipped. But yeah, come on, man. These, yeah, you gotta say it with me. These joints are hard. You see, check out the bottom of the shoe, man. It's like a, I don't know what material this is at the toe, but it's kind of like a, not even a patent leather material. Here we have at the toe box. Then on the side we have kind of like a plastic mesh on the side of the shoe. And then on the tongue, as you can see, on one it has the Undefeated logo. Then on the other tongue it has the Kobe logo. Man, this shoe, I don't know. This shoe been either tried on or worn. It got a little dirt at the bottom. Look a little suspect. Probably why it took too long to ship. As you can see on the back here, it got a little dirt on the back. Let's see what the inside. It don't look like nothing on the inside. It look a little dirty on the outside. Okay, we cool. All right, so then on the back, like, I don't know, it's probably 3M. But it says Undefeated right here under the 24 and under the 8. I don't know if the light can help you see that, but it says Undefeated under there. So this probably has a 3M flash. When you hit it, came with an extra set of laces, some orange laces. But yeah, the Undefeated logo and then the Kobe logo, then the 8 and the 24 for his jersey numbers. These are dope. I can't front. These are dope. I've had a lot of people, you know, hit me up like, yo, what's resale going for them and blah, blah, blah. Man, look, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, to me, it's just corny. Like when people see a shoe and they like, well, I'm gonna pass on it because they bricks. And man, it's corny. It's corny because you allowing somebody else to dictate how you feel about a shoe. And to me, you corny. So when people hit me up about bricks, if I show a shoe and they respond and say it's bricks, I usually block them because it let me know you a cornball and you really not the type of person I want to associate with. Because I don't buy what brick and what doesn't. I buy what I like. And if I like, I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna cop it and I'm gonna wear it. So that's the difference between me and you. So that's why I just stop conversations with people like that when they always want to worry about if a shoe gonna be a brick or not. Like, I don't care about that if I'm buying a shoe to wear it. If you buying it to resell it, that's cool, that's you. But don't knock, somebody else. That's all. Just goofball shit. At the lace tips, I just noticed it says Undefeated on one, and it has a Nike check on the other one. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you can see that Nike check on this one, and then on this one it says Undefeated. I think you should be able to see that. But yeah, these are dope. Overall dope. I'm gonna have to try them on to see how they are. I've never owned a pair of Kobe 4s before. Never owned a pair, never wore a pair. So I'm gonna try these out. Hopefully they true to size. Some shoes be tight, especially with this material, might be tight at the toe, but I'm gonna try them on. Go to thesneakertribune.com. We do giveaways. We do a lot of dope shit, good content. Check it out. thesneakertribune.com, and follow us online. If you go to the Sneaker Tribune, you'll see our social media links on the top right. And that's pretty much it, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until the next release, you guys be cool.